Hello and welcome back. It has been nearly 2 months since I posted a video. Back in late February, early March, I got super busy and kind of just got out of the groove of this. And even when I wasn't busy anymore, I just couldn't get back going again. But we're back now. Let's see, what all did we miss? So in the past month and a half, I built a new stage set at work, went backpacking and camping at Red River Gorge several times. I also went down to Tennessee with my cousin and some of his friends, went backpacking to a place called Savage Gulf. My beloved Kentucky Wildcats lost the worst game in history. March Madness happened, Kansas won. I turned 28 the other day. Oh, and Chick-fil-A opened. And now we're here. This past weekend, me and my friend Thomas went on a 3-day backpacking trip to Wayne National Forest, and that is what is going to fill up the bulk of this week's video to kind of get us back on track. Next Monday, we'll be back in the groove of the weekly vlog, hopefully. We've already started filming that, so look forward to that next week. So for now, I'm going to turn it over to 4 days ago, Jeremy and Thomas, and we're going to take you on our journey through Wayne National Forest on the Lake Vesuvius backpacking trail. Quick disclaimer, this isn't going to be your traditional backpacking video with like fancy setup shots and all that kind of cool stuff. This is literally just informal vlog videos of how our journey was going. But hopefully in the near future, I'm going to be shooting some videos like that. That's the plan anyway. So here we go. We're at Lake Vesuvius. There's a trailhead here. We're gonna hop on the Lakeshore Trail and hike on that for a little bit and pick up the backpacking trail. Planning to do about 18 miles this weekend. Let's do it. You ready, Tom?
Yeah, let's get it going.
Let's get it going. So peaceful and quiet. You've just been cruising along, came upon a road on the trail. Got about 2 miles in, trying to get to 3 or 4 tonight. It's a marvelous night out. Lots of stars and the moon. Awesome. We're back on the actual trail. I'm just hiking along a ridge top. Probably can't see on camera, but you can see quite a ways in either direction. Closing in on 3 miles, so won't be long before we're looking for a place to stay for the night. How you doing back there, Thomas?
Pretty good. Nice night.
This is a really lovely night to be doing this. It's just the perfect temperature. I'm gonna sleep good tonight, I think.
Yeah.
It's a nice little flat spot. Not ready to stop just yet, but. How you feeling, Thomas? We've now hiked over 7 miles. We were only planning on like 3. And we never found a campsite. We were just on a small space between some trees where the tent kind of fits. The best thing to do after a 7-mile hike, almost entirely in the darkness of night, is to eat some birthday cake. Because my birthday was 2 days ago. And we just hiked 7.5 miles at 11 o'clock at night.
We've earned it.
We've earned it, yeah. I might end up saving some of this. I was going to eat it all tonight, but we'll see. You ready to go night-night?
Yeah.
Say good morning, Tom.
Good morning.
Breakfast in bed. We are just about all packed up. A couple of goals for today. Ideally, we're trying to get around 10 miles before rain starts. or just get as many as we can because we did a lot more than we planned on last night. Also hoping to cross some cell service at some point so we can check the updated forecast for the day. Either way, just getting as far as we can before rain starts. Or just no rain at all would be awesome. It's gone back and forth from cloudy to overcast to sunny so far this morning. This is the bridge to nowhere. I don't see the trail. Oh, it's right there. Nice. Finessed it. Today has not been quite as forgiving as yesterday. We've gone up to the ridgeline and back down twice now. So right about the time we got to the top of a ridge, it is now raining. If it doesn't get any heavier than this, we'll be okay. Oh man, it's picking up. What can you do? So we just came down a really, really steep descent, and there is an absolutely incredible looking campsite right over there. The problem is we kind of need like 4 or 5 more miles on the day. Not gonna stop here to camp, but we are gonna go ahead and have some lunch. What a bummer. This is perfect. We're planning to camp somewhere around the north end of the lake. Weather still looks unpredictable. Look at this big old tree. Oh, Lord. The rain is definitely picking up. It's kind of stayed a steady drizzle, like just enough to where the trees kind of protect us. This trail seems to take the longest way possible to get to the top of things. Just switching back and switching back. Also, it's hailing. All right, I've got to put the rain jacket on. Can't do this anymore. Of course, as soon as I get all this stuff on, the rain freaking stops. A few more miles to go. No more than 3 minutes after I put all this rain gear on, the rain completely stopped. There is something down there. Looks like a parking lot or something, maybe? Just been going along this ridge for a while. Thomas is way back somewhere. I don't know what happened to him. Yeah, I think I see a road and a parking lot down there. Should be around like 2 miles or so. Hopefully this is the last of the up and down. I think this is 4 times now we've gone from the creek to the ridge line today. So right over there is what I was seeing from way up on the hill. Looks like some kind of horse barn or something. I see like a fence. While I'm waiting for Thomas, I want to take this time to give a shout out to Adventure Archives who are out doing this as well right now. They're filming an episode for their channel, I think down in Tennessee. Go check them out. Wonderful people. Make way better quality than this crap. Hope your hike is going well and you're staying dry. Still no sign of Thomas. There comes our boy. What in God's name? This is officially full-blown rain hiking. They say it's about the journey, not the destination. This is becoming more about the destination by the minute. We have got to get across this one way or the other. So we're left with no choice but to just deboot and barefoot it. That sucked. I didn't have any open hands to film. Let's see how Thomas does. It's a wee bit chilly.
These rocks are not comfortable.
Nope. You got it. Just keep going. Look at this. What the hell is this? I am all the way down at the junction of the 2 trails now. Thomas is way back there. If you ever come do this trail, don't ever say, let's just go a little bit further. Maybe there's a campsite up ahead, because there probably isn't. Well, this sucks. Well, it was extremely hectic, but we have somewhat of a shelter. I'm probably going to camp here for the night. We'll make it work. For now, at least we're out of the rain. We're all set up. The rain has subsided. Dinner is served. Pad thai. It looks disgusting, but I promise it tastes absolutely incredible. Just about the time I started eating, it started drizzling again. I think it's time to do one final camp cleanup and retreat to the tent for the night. Morning, everybody. It's about 7:30. Neither of us slept super great. Just having breakfast in the tent again. We're just gonna get the heck out of here. Thomas is filling up on water. I'm cooking breakfast. Pretty ready to go. We are on the trail. It's about 9:20 something. No rain yet, but it looks like it could happen any moment now. Should be about 4 miles out of here, and we're both ready to do just that. What do you think, Thomas? Huh? Oh man. Been cruising along. We just got to a campground. This is the Iron Ridge campground. We started for the day up here, I think. I've come down here and we're right here. And then we just have to go through here, pick up the Lakeshore Trail and back to the parking lot right there.
It's only a mile and a half.
Mile and a half.
Mile and a half, and then I think, I'm assuming the boardwalks we get to.
Yeah, we'll finish on the boardwalk. It rained for like a second. It's still kind of gently coming down. It's raining again, but I'm sure now that I've zipped up my jacket again, it'll stop right away. It's really cold. Thomas is back there somewhere. And that, my dear friends, is the lake. So if you look across the lake, right there, you can see a trail. That's what we hiked in on Thursday night. So if we would have stayed on the Lakeshore Trail, we would have come down right through there. Wow. Now we're gonna go across this awesome boardwalk thing. We're a little bit worried about that section over there. We can't tell if we can get across that. We might have to come back and walk down the road or something, but the car is just around that corner. Thomas, we've nearly done it.
We are mere yards away. 100 yards.
I can officially see the car. Started from the here and now we're here. Fresh clothes, warm car, something around 20 miles. Thomas is taking care of some overdue business. And we are about to get out of here and find something to eat. Good trip. You ready, Tom? Was it life-changing, Thomas?
Yep, pretty good.
You know the feeling whenever you take off your pack after hiking?
Yeah.
That's the opposite of what I feel right now.
Yeah.
And that's that. Thanks so much for watching this week. Next Monday, we should be back in the groove of this. I will see you then.